Hi guys and girls, welcome back to the channel. This is the British Biker in Taiwan and I'm at the 328 Cafe on the Beiyi Road, Route 9. So I'm going to head back into Taipei City. It's going to take about an hour, but don't worry, I'm going to speed the video up in a lot of the sections. I'm going to slow it down for some of the scenery, a little bit of the commentary, the acknowledgements from people that are along the way. Check out the blue truck, the semi. I've slowed it down for that with a little bit of commentary, so have a look at that. At the end, I'm going to put a Relive video. I don't know if you've used Relive app at all. It'll plot your route, take some pictures along the way. So that's my journey into the 328 Cafe and back into Taipei City. Shows you the altitude, just speed and everything else. So stick around at the end for that one and just enjoy the music and enjoy the scenery. If you like the video, hit the like button, the subscribe and the little bell for the notifications. Okay, as you can see, I've slowed the video down again and I've moved right over to the right hand side of my lane. I've checked in my mirrors and I've noticed there's this large blue truck, the semi. He's going to overtake and he's given me plenty of room, so he's acknowledged the fact that I've slowed down for him. He's given me the room and he says thank you. He puts his hazards on and says thank you. Don't get that often in Taiwan. So there's me on my Honda and this Harley comes past and acknowledges. Don't get that often. I did give him a little nod as I went past. Check out Buzz Lightyear. To infinity and beyond. So I do want to draw your attention here. Some raised concrete works at the bus stop on the right hand side. So just be aware of that.